Hi everyone, my name is Hongbin Lu from York University. I'm working on the Reviewboard project. For this project, I'm mainly working on to implement an extension to allow the Reviewboard to talk to the different kind of bug checker. So for a bug checker, what I mean is a category of product to allow the project owner to keep track of the software defect. And actually, bug checker is very useful and many people use that. Uh, so for Reviewboard is the tools for developer to keep track of to handle the code review, and there's some relationship between a code review and a bug. And usually, if there's a code review, that's because of there's a bug. So uh, in fact, if the user of the software they find a bug in the software, so they are going to submit a ticket in the bug checker. Then the project owner will see the bug in the bug checker and create a task and assign to a developer. So the developer do some code fixing and submit a code review. So now that's the problem is the bug checker. Bug checker user have no idea what's going on the code review. So this is the problem my extension is going to solve. So my extension is provide a way for Reviewboard to notify the bug checker system about what happened on the code review. Uh, Basically, what my extension is going to do is post a comment on the bug checker to provide the information of the code review. So the requirement is mainly to design extension is extendable for different kind of bug checker. Uh, so this is the architecture of the extension. So RB bug checker is the extension I'm implement. So my extension is subclass from the base extension, and Google code is a wrapper class from the Google Code API, and Bugzilla is a wrapper class for the Bugzilla Bug Checker API. So all the specific bug checker is is going to subclass from the base bug checker. So the purpose of this design is to decouple the extension framework to the specific bug checker API. So uh, if the Google API is going to change, and we just need to change the adapter method in the Google wrapper class, and we don't need to change anything in the extension. That's kind of maintainable and extendable. Uh, so uh, what happened is, and in addition, the extension RB bug checker just know a bug checker is a general bug checker. They don't know if it's a Google code or Bugzilla or not. Uh, Actually, what they need to know is there's a method they are going uh, to provide the service for them to notify the bug checker. That's enough. Uh, so this is what happened in the general in the action. The review board first some sequence of instantiation. After the instantiation, if some event on a bug checker is fired, so the extension fire the event, and the event handler method is called, and the 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 extension the extension is going to notify the sorry, is going to call the external API to post a comment on the bug checker. So I'm going to show you what how the extension is going to work. So this is the review board. Here is a list of extension. This one is my extension. So first I need to enable it. Okay, then I can configure the extension. So now we see the extension is configurable. We can choose what kind of event to notify the bug checker. We can customize the notification message to change anything. So this is the general extension config. So if we want to further configure the Google code extension, Google code bug checker, we can click it. And so in this extension, we need to log into the Google code. So I already logged in, so I grant access to allow the Reviewboard to talk to the Google code bug checker. I enter my account name. So now the Google code bug checker extension is ready to go. So we test it. So this is the code review. This code review is associated to bug number 4. So I'm going to post a comment and see what happened on the bug checker. I confirm the comment. So now the status of the code review is changed. So now I go back to the bug checker and I reload it. Now you can see there's a notification message is posted by Reviewboard, and it says some user has replied for code review for this issue and provide a link to the code review. So this is what happened for the extension, and the next I'm going to show you if the something going wrong on the extension and it will not crash the Reviewboard product. So the Reviewboard is going to keep working. So I'm going to enter a wrong number, which is bug number 78, which we don't have this bug. So now I'm going to do the same thing, post a comment. I confirm the comment. So now the extension is going to notify the bug checker number 78, but this bug checker didn't exist, so an exception should be thrown. Now we see the extension and exception is going to float. But now we go back to the Reviewboard, we see the Reviewboard will not crash, will keep working. So this is the robustness of the extension. So that's it. Thank you for watching.